Good morning, everyone. My name is Mohammad Banna. I'm coming to you here from sunny Dubai. Maybe too sunny, in fact. I'm currently in the shade, but trust me, there's a lot of sun. And so I just want to give you a quick introduction, tell you who I am. I'm Egyptian, but born and raised here in Dubai. I'm married, I got a daughter, and my background is from supply chain in chocolate companies. That's right, it sounds very nice until you discover that you've gained 10 kilos in 2 months. And at that point, you're just looking to work in any other industry. So I joined SFM for a reason that a lot of us are very familiar with, which is to quit my job and replace my income, get more freedom, time, geographical, financial, all of that. So the truth is, I have been seeing ads for SFM for over 3 years before I joined. I was that person that really resonates with ads, watches them, subscribes, becomes a lead, and never takes any action. We all love that person. And eventually, though, something changed. My life got harder, and I started a job that is a 70-hour workweek job as a supply chain manager in Mars. And it just became ridiculous. Like I would come back home sometimes at 6 a.m. It would take all my time. And then I got married and my wife got pregnant, and we barely had time for anything. Not only that, she was also hypermesic, which means she was feeling nauseous all the time, and I'm at work all the time. So there was a lot of pressure and very little time to do anything. So naturally, I did the obvious thing, and I started my SFM journey at that time. So yeah, I started in 2019, and then started marketing in March 2020. But within 3 months, I have already achieved massive results. I've made it to the leaderboard and made it to in the leadership program. I'm getting the second highest number of leads per month in all of SFM. And the reason I'm telling you this is Rich, Gary, and myself, we are all here so that we can help you on your journey. We want to accelerate your results, help you achieve as much as you can in as little time as possible. And for that, we are prepared to do trainings, webinars, and answer your questions and really help you along your journey. So just like my reason for joining SFM, the biggest challenge I've had on my journey is quite cliche, and that was believing in myself. I had all sorts of limiting beliefs. I felt that I'm not good on camera, and I'm never ever gonna be convincing on camera because I'm not even good on camera. And then also that I'm Muslim and Arab, so it's gonna be really hard for me to resonate with my target market, especially with all the pollution from the media. Yada, yada, yada. And then I spoke with Gerard Hall, who is my referral partner and one of my mentors. And he basically explained to me that all of this is just limiting beliefs and I should get rid of them, and I got rid of them. And then after that, like I said, I had a lot of accelerated growth. And the point is, believe in yourself. That was the biggest challenge for me, believing in myself, believing that I can do it. And if you've seen Tony Robbins' success cycle video, you would know that that is literally the most important thing for you on your journey. We all see it at the beginning of our SFM journey, but if you haven't, we're gonna link it for you in the files section, a short, compact 5-minute version. So make sure you don't miss it, because literally it could be the reason that you make it or the reason that you don't. So I really hope that you check that out, and I really hope that you join us. We only have one goal in this group, and it's to give you webinars and trainings and answer your questions and give you as much help as possible so that you can have an accelerated growth in your journey and see success as soon as possible. Good luck, and hope to see you inside the group.